Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will show you how to use the Etastar air conditioner remote control. This is the on-off button of the air conditioner, and with its help we can turn the air conditioner on and off. With this button we can increase the temperature, and with this one we can lower it. We can change the modes of the air conditioner with the mode button. The air conditioner has 4 modes: cooling, drying, heating, and auto. Each time the mode button is pressed, we switch to the next mode. Since most users use the cooling mode, we will explain this mode first. We press the mode button, and when a snowflake appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to the cooling mode. In this mode, we adjust the temperature of the air conditioner between 22 to 24 degrees Celsius. If you want to save electricity, you can choose a temperature above 24 degrees Celsius. Setting the temperature below 22 degrees Celsius is not recommended as it can cause colds. We change the fan speed by pressing the fan button. This air conditioner fan has 4 speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. We press the mode button to switch to the next mode of the air conditioner. A water drop icon appears on the screen. This is the drying mode, and in this mode the air conditioner reduces the humidity in the house. We switch to heating mode by pressing the mode button again. In this mode, we set the temperature above 26 degrees Celsius. Setting the fan speed to the auto fan speed mode in heating mode allows the air conditioner to work more efficiently. Because in this mode the fan speed is controlled by a microprocessor. To do this, we press several times the fan button. Since the air conditioner is working properly, the evaporator will only become covered with snow when the temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. In heating mode, the air conditioner needs to work for 20-40 minutes depending on the air temperature for it to operate at its rated power. We press the mode button again and switch to auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner always tries to maintain the set temperature around 24 degrees Celsius. In this mode, if the temperature is lower than this indicator, the air conditioner will operate in heating mode, and if it is higher, it will operate in cooling mode. We return to cooling mode by pressing the mode button again. Now I will explain the other buttons. Sometimes it happens that we set the temperature to 22 degrees Celsius, for example, or 21 degrees Celsius when we lie down in bed. In this case, we recommend that you press the sleep button. When this button is pressed, a crescent moon and a star appears on the screen. When this button is pressed, a crescent moon and a star appears on the screen. In this mode, the air conditioner will raise the temperature by 1 degree Celsius after 2 hours and again by 1 degree after a few hours. To exit sleep mode, you need to press the same button again. We can move the blinds of the air conditioner using this button. This swing button can be used to move the blinds up and down without stopping. To set the clock, we press the clock button located on the back of the remote control. After that, we set the clock with the help of these buttons. For example, now it is 10 a.m. To confirm, we press the same button. The air conditioner has two timer modes. With the help of the timer on mode, it is possible to turn on the air conditioner at a desired time. Now we switch off our air conditioner and we want the air conditioner to turn on at 6 p.m. Then we press the timer on button and set the time with the help of this button. For example, 6 p.m. At the bottom of the screen, we see that the timer on is flashing. To exit this mode, we need to press the same button again. Or if we want the air conditioner to turn off at 5 a.m., we press the timer off button at that time and set the timer to 5 a.m. Timer off flashes at the bottom of the screen. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button. Thank you for following us until the end.